Let's go phrasal. Mastering English phrasal verbs with go. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of English phrasal verbs. We'll focus specifically on phrasal verbs with go. These are commonly used in everyday English, and knowing how to use them correctly can really take your English communication skills to the next level. Phrasal verbs are a unique type of verb in English that combine a basic verb with one or more particles. These particles are usually prepositions or adverbs. When we talk about phrasal verbs with go, we are referring to phrasal verbs that use go as the main verb. For example, go on, go off, or go over. The meaning of these phrases can often be very different from the meaning of go on its own, which can make them tricky to master but also fun to learn. Let's explore some common phrasal verbs with go and their meanings. Go on. This means to continue. For instance, despite the rain, the football match went on. Go off. This can mean to explode, to start ringing, for alarms, or for food to become rotten. For instance, the bomb went off at noon. Go over. This means to review or examine something. For instance, I need to go over my notes before the test. Now that we've looked at the meanings, let's put them into action. Understanding the definitions of phrasal verbs is a good start, but it's equally important to know how to use them in sentences. Here are some examples. 1. Go on. She was so tired, but she decided to go on with the project. 2. Go off. The milk has gone off. We need to buy a new one. 3. Go over. Let's go over the plan one more time to make sure everyone understands. Using these in your day-to-day conversations will make your English sound more natural and fluent. And that's a wrap on phrasal verbs with go. Remember, the best way to learn and master these phrasal verbs is to use them in your daily English conversations and writing. Stay consistent, and in no time, you'll find that these phrasal verbs will become second nature to you. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.